Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. It's Ned Voyage, and if there's one thing I love more than editing, it's using tech to hack travel. Because who wants to spend their time stressing over logistics when you could be out there exploring, right? We're talking about AI travel planners that feel straight out of a sci-fi movie, currency converters that are smarter than your average bear, and even language translators that fit right in your pocket. We're diving deep into the future of travel, people. So grab your boarding passes, buckle up, and get ready to have your mind blown, because these 10 shocking travel hacks might just change the way you see the world. Let's do this. Alright, let's kick things off with a travel hack that feels like it's straight out of the future. Remember those days when you'd spend hours, days, weeks even, planning out every single detail of your trip? Yeah, those days are over. We're talking about AI-powered itinerary planners, people. These apps are like having your own personal travel agent, but a million times smarter. One app I've been messing around with is called Wanderwise AI. And let me tell you, this thing is the real deal. You just tell it where you want to go, what you're into, whether it's hiking, museums, food, whatever, and boom! It spits out a completely customized itinerary, complete with hidden gems you wouldn't believe. I'm talking hole-in-the-wall restaurants that only locals know about, secret beaches that haven't been overrun by tourists, and experiences that are so unique, you'll be telling stories about them for years to come. And the best part? It learns your preferences over time. So the more you use it, the better it gets at planning trips that are perfectly tailored to you. No more cookie-cutter itineraries, people. This is next-level travel planning. Okay, let's be real for a second. Packing a suitcase is the absolute worst, right? Trying to cram 2 weeks' worth of clothes into a tiny bag, stressing about airline baggage fees, lugging that heavy thing around with you everywhere you go. It's enough to make you want to stay home. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if you could show up at your destination and have a whole wardrobe waiting for you? Well, guess what? You can. Platforms like Travel Lightly are changing the game by letting you rent clothes at your destination. Seriously, it's a game changer. Going to the Maldives? Rent some swimwear and flip-flops? Heading to Aspen for a ski trip? They've got you covered with all the winter gear you'll need. It's like having access to an endless closet, no matter where you are in the world. And the best part? You get to rock local styles and ditch the stress of packing altogether. Plus, it's way more sustainable than buying a bunch of new clothes you'll only wear once. Alright, let's talk about money for a second, because let's be real. Who wants to waste money on hidden fees and bad exchange rates while they're traveling? Not me, that's for sure. But listen up, because this next travel hack is about to save you some serious cash. It's called the Currency Smart Card. And it's about to become your new best friend. This little card is like having a personal currency converter in your wallet. It automatically converts prices to your home currency, so you always know exactly how much you're spending. No more doing mental math in the middle of a crowded market, trying to figure out if that souvenir is a good deal or not. But here's the real kicker. It also scours the market for the best exchange rates, and automatically applies them to your purchases. So you always get the most bang for your buck. No more getting ripped off by shady currency exchange kiosks. This card has got your back. Chapter 4. The airport lounge upgrade you never knew existed. We've all been there, right? Stuck at the airport with a layover that feels like an eternity. The chairs are uncomfortable, the Wi-Fi is spotty, and you're pretty sure you've already read every magazine in the entire terminal, but what if I told you there's a way to turn those dreaded layovers into something, dare I say, enjoyable? Enter the airport sleep pod. More and more airports are rolling out these little pods of peace and quiet, and let me tell you, they are a game changer. We're talking private pods equipped with everything you need to recharge, comfortable beds, Wi-Fi, charging stations, even Netflix. So instead of dreading your next layover, you can actually look forward to catching up on some sleep, binge-watching your favorite shows, or just getting some work done in peace and quiet. And the best part is, they're surprisingly affordable. Who knew airports could be so luxurious? Chapter 5. The pocket-sized translator that breaks down language barriers. Ever been to a country where you don't speak the language? It can be a bit daunting, right? Trying to navigate menus, ask for directions, or even just have a simple conversation can feel like an impossible task. But fear no more, my friends, because this next travel hack is about to make those language barriers disappear. It's called the Lingo Link. And it's like having a personal translator in your pocket. This little device translates live conversations in real time. You just speak into it in your language, and it responds in the local language. It's like magic, but better. No more awkward hand gestures or relying on Google Translate for every little thing. With the Lingo link, you can have meaningful conversations with locals, order food with confidence, and really immerse yourself in the culture. It's a game changer for travelers who want to experience the world like a local. Chapter 6 Flight Delays. This AI bot is your new best friend. Alright, let's talk about one of the most frustrating parts of travel flight delays. There's nothing worse than being stuck at the airport, watching your travel plans go up in smoke. But what if I told you there's a way to take the stress out of flight delays? What if you could rebook your flight instantly without even having to talk to a human? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. With tools like Rebook Robo, you can say goodbye to those long lines at the customer service desk and hello to instant rebooking. This AI-powered tool monitors your flight status and automatically rebooks you on the next available flight if there's a delay or cancellation. It's like having your own personal travel agent working tirelessly behind the scenes to make sure your travel plans stay on track. So the next time your flight gets delayed, don't panic. Just let Rebook Robo work its magic. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, saving money. Because let's be real, hotels can be expensive. But what if I told you there's a way to always get the best price on your hotel rooms? It's called the Hotel Price Guarantee trick. And it's about to become your new secret weapon for saving money on travel. The secret weapon is an app called Rate Shield. Here's how it works. You book your hotel room like you normally would, but then you input your reservation details into Rate Shield. This sneaky little app then monitors your hotel's prices like a hawk. And if the price of your room drops at any point between the time you book and the time you check in, guess what? Rate Shield automatically claims the difference for you. No need to call the hotel, no need to spend hours scouring the internet for a better deal. It's all done automatically. Chapter 8. Beat the crowds with this off-peak travel hack. There's nothing quite like exploring a new destination without the crowds, right? But let's be real. Finding those off-peak travel windows can be tricky. But what if you had a secret weapon that alerted you to the best time to visit your dream destinations? Well, now you do. It's called Travel IQ, and it's about to become your go-to app for planning those perfectly timed getaways. This app is like having a crystal ball that predicts the best time to travel. It uses all sorts of data points, flight prices, hotel availability, even weather patterns, to identify those sweet spots when destinations are less crowded and more affordable. So, you can experience the magic of a place without the hordes of tourists. Chapter 9. Unlimited data abroad? Yes, it's possible. Alright, let's talk about staying connected while you're traveling. Because let's be real, who wants to be stuck without Wi-Fi in a foreign country? But roaming charges can be insane, and finding reliable Wi-Fi can be a challenge. But fear no more, my friends, because unlimited data abroad is now a reality. Portable Wi-Fi devices like World Connect now offer unlimited data plans in over 150 countries. That means you can share your adventures on social media, stay connected with loved ones, and navigate new cities without worrying about racking up a massive phone bill. It's like having your own personal Wi-Fi hotspot, no matter where you are in the world. So ditch the roaming charges and embrace the freedom of unlimited data. Chapter 10. The future of travel is remote digital nomad visas made easy. Alright, this last travel hack is for all my digital nomads out there. Imagine this. Working remotely from a beach in Bali, a cafe in Paris, or a co-working space in Medellin. The digital nomad lifestyle is more attainable than ever, but navigating the world of visas can be a headache. But fear no more, my friends, because getting those digital nomad visas just got a whole lot easier. Websites like Visa Nomad are simplifying the process, making it easier than ever to live and work abroad legally. They provide all the information you need, from visa requirements to application forms, all in one place. So you can spend less time stressing over paperwork and more time living your best life abroad. Paradise is just a click away. The future of travel is here. There you have it. 10 travel hacks that are changing the game in 2025. From AI-powered itinerary planners to unlimited data abroad, these hacks are making travel smarter, more affordable, and more accessible than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today. And don't forget to let me know in the comments below which of these travel hacks you're most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Ned Voyage for more travel tips and tricks. Until next time, safe travels.